Good morning, student. Welcome to e-learning classes. Myself Ashok Kumar, Modern English School, New Area Branch. Again, student, lesson 9, congruence of triangle and exercise 9A. This is video part 5, video lecture 5. Okay. Here, student, question number 10. Very interesting question here, student. Triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, is a right angle at A. Here is the right angle at particular point. That point is called A. Such that AB is equal to AC. That means this side AB is equal to AC. This side is equal to this side. And bisector of angle C intersect the side AB at D. That means angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because DC is the bisector of angle C meet at point AB. Prove that AC plus AD is equal to BC. Okay, this is the question and this one is the figure. Here one thing, student, construction DE perpendicular to BC. So first of all, student, what is the given information? In triangle ABC, in which angle A is 90 degree, CD, this line CD bisect the angle C meet at AB, meet at AB, meet at AB, and AB is equal to AC. That means this side is equal to this side. TP, to prove AC plus AD is equal to BC. Here one thing, construction, draw DE perpendicular to BC. Okay, student. So first of all, student, take two triangle. In triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC and triangle EDC, in triangle ADC and EDC, under these two triangles, angle DAC is equal to angle DEC 90 degree. Angle DAC is equal to angle DEC. That means this angle is equal to 90 degree. This angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay. This information is given. This is by construction. Second thing, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Bisector of angle C. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, bisector of angle C, and CD is equal to CD, common. CD is equal to CD, common. So triangle ADC is congruent to triangle DEC. Region is angle side. By angle side criteria, these two triangles are congruent. That means this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Okay. What is CPCT? Here CPCT is AD is equal to DE. AD is equal to DE by CPCT. First thing. Second thing, AC is equal to EC. AC is equal to EC. Okay, take these two by CPCT, corresponding part of congruence triangle. Okay. Then after, student, we know the one thing is given here. AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. That means this side is equal to this side. The opposite angle of these two side is angle B is equal to angle C. You can say here angle B is equal to angle C. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree by ASP, angle sum property. Angle A is 90 degree plus angle B plus angle C can be written as angle B is equal to 180 degree because angle B is equal to angle C. 90 moves here, 2 times of angle B is equal to 90 degree. So here angle B is equal to 45 degree. So student, we have two results. Angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 45 degree. That means this angle is 45 degree and this whole angle is also 45 degree. Okay. Okay, here in triangle BDE, in triangle BDE, angle B plus angle D plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. Again ASP. Here angle B is 45, already calculated here. Angle B is 45 degree plus angle D plus angle E is 90 degree. Because this angle is 90 degree by construction, this angle is also 90 degree by construction. Perpendicular is given here. So here angle D is equal to 45 degree. Okay. That means this angle is also 45 degree. So in this triangle, student, one conclusion is there. This angle is equal to this angle. That means the opposite side of these two angles, the opposite side of this angle is BE and the opposite side of this angle is DE. So we can say BE is equal to DE. So we can say BE is equal to DE. Because in an isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, the two angles are equal, then two opposite two sides are also equal. So we can write here BE is equal to DE. And one more thing, BE is equal to DE and AD is equal to DE by CPCT. AD is equal to DE by CPCT. AD is equal to DE by CPCT and BE is equal to DE. So under these two, what is the result, student? DE is matching, so we can say BE is equal to AD. BE is equal to AD. This is very important result, student. Okay. Then after result, what is the result here, student? BC. Take BC. BC can be written as EC plus BE. BC can be written as EC plus BE. Okay. So here BC is equal to EC. EC is equal to AC. EC is equal to AC by CPCT plus BE. BE is equal to AD. BE is equal to AD. So here, student, BC is equal to AC plus AD. I think this is your proof. And write down the region. AC is equal to EC by CPCT and BE is equal to AD. Just proved here. BE is equal to AD, just proved here, and put this value and you will get a final result. So this is your proof, student. BC is equal to AC plus AD. Okay, student, I hope, student, you will understand question number 10. The next question is 7. In the given figure, this figure is given here. X is equal to Y. This angle is equal to this angle. And AB is equal to CB. Then prove that AE is equal to CD. That means AE is equal to CD. So first of all, student, write down the given information in this figure. X is equal to Y and AB is equal to CD. TP, to prove AE is equal to CD. AE is equal to CD. There is no need to construct here. So cross it and prove. Okay. Take two triangle here, student. Which triangle? In triangle ABE. In triangle ABE and triangle CBD. Triangle CBD BD. Okay, in these two triangles, AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. This information is given. First given thing, okay. Angle B is equal to angle B in both triangle, common angle. Angle B is equal to angle B in both triangle, common angle. Angle B is equal to angle B. And the last one is angle AEB is equal to angle AEB is equal to angle CDB. What is the reason behind here, student? That means, according to this figure, this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Reason is that x is equal to y. We know that we can written here x is equal to y, and according to linear pair, this plus this is equal to 180 degree. So this angle can be written as 180 minus y, and this can be written as 180 minus x. So here write down 180 minus x is equal to 180 minus y. Okay. So 180 minus x and 180 minus y. We know that x is equal to y. So we can write here 180 minus x is equal to 180 minus x. So according to this logic, yeah, 180 minus y is equal to 180 minus y. Think means put in place of x the value of y, yeah, in place of y the value is of x. Okay. So both angles are same. If x and y are same, then these two angles are also same. So we can write here this one. Okay. So which criteria? Angle, side. So triangle ABE is congruent to triangle CBD. Reason is angle, side. By angle, side criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Okay. By CPCT, we can write here AE is equal to CD. AE is equal to CD by CPCT. So here by CPCT criteria, this is your proof. AE is equal to CD. AE is equal to CD. So write down here proof. Okay, student. So here, student, question number 7 is complete. I hope, student, you will understand this question. The next question is question number 9. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral such that the diagonal AC bisect the angle A and angle C. Prove that AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD and CB is equal to CD. Okay, student. First of all, given information, a quadrilateral ABCD in which AC bisect the angle A and angle C respectively. Okay. Prove that AB is equal to AD and CB is equal to CD. Proof. Here, student, this question is very easy. Take two triangles. In triangle ABC, and triangle ADC. In triangle ABC and triangle ADC, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Here write down bisector of angle A. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Reason is bisector of angle C. Two things. And third one is AC is equal to AC common. AC is equal to AC common. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. Reason is angle side angle. So here write down angle, side, angle, criteria. These two triangles are congruent. Okay. So here by CPCT we can write here AB. AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD by CPCT, and BC is equal to DC. BC is equal to DC by CPCT, and angle B is equal to angle D. But this value, this angle is not required. So don't take angle B is equal to angle D. We have to take AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to DC. This is your proof, student. AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to DC, yeah, CD. This is your proof. Okay, student. I hope, student, you will understand this question. So today homework is make exercise 9A. Make exercise 9A, question number 1 to 10. Okay, student, today homework is make exercise 9A, question number 1 to 10. If you have any query, if you have any doubt, if you have any problem, ask the question.